Hello traders, this is DFXS. Welcome to TFX family, and I believe that guys, you are doing great. All right, today we're gonna explore to advanced zone handle technical analysis tools that are inside or behind our TFX RENKO system. I would like you to follow this video closely because today we're gonna talk more and in deep about the advanced zone handle. What is this zone handle that we're gonna explore today, and what are these technical analysis tools that are coded with this zone handle? So guys, you have to follow this video closely until the end because when I'm talking about anything behind the successful RENKO system from TFX company, we are talking about any system that is RENKO system. Any system, TFX RENKO system, whether it is manual, whether it is the EA. And I would like you to follow this video closely because what I'm about to share here will give more light to you guys to understand how our system works. And this is because of those experienced trader and non-experienced trader, because those who are experienced, I do believe that you love this because this is what, guys, you have been doing it manually, or this is what you have been struggling to understand. But thank God for the TFX because everything is coded professionally and it's able to give a professional technical analysis. And I would like you to follow this video because by the end of this video, I'm going to share the list of our EAs. Well, the list of our EA, the price, and how you can get them easily. There is a way you can get them easily. So stay tuned so that by the end of this video, guys, you can be able to learn everything also about our system and how easily you can get them. So without wasting time now, guys, let us dive in and learn what is this our advanced zone handle so that we can explore together and learn about Forex. All right. So let's start with our terminal. All right. What is this RENKO? What is this zone handle? The zone handle, they work hand in hand with a RENKO because guys have been telling you there is nothing in Forex market that works alone. You cannot depend on candlesticks alone. You cannot depend on just price action alone. You cannot depend also with only RENKO alone. Through experience, for those years that we have been coding the system, 100% of what I'm telling you, and this is why many people have learned about the SMC but still fail in the market. You learn about the price action, you still fail. You learn a lot of things, whether again about the customs indicators. You have always fail, and always ask also yourself, why do we have a free customs indicators outside there? So guys, you have to learn a lot, and thank God because you have joined the TFX family. And consider following us on our Telegram for more updates and also the time that we are sharing offers or when we are giving offers. So make sure, guys, on the description of this video there is a link to our Telegram, and also make sure you are a member even on our YouTube channel, being a subscriber, and always comment or likes. All right, so let's jump in now and start in a very simplest way of working with our TFX RENKO. I'm going to give an example of this TFX manual, the Nairobi manual, because these are the simplest way of how you'll be using our system. It is very simple. So let's pick, for instance, because it's very simple, you just pick this RENKO file. So don't start thinking, oh, maybe we have handle blah blah. No, just follow what I'm showing you here because everything is automated. So you just pick this TFX RENKO file, as simple as that. All right, the other thing, you must make sure that it's reflecting on your chart. As you can see, before the RENKO file analyzing or collecting every required data, as you can see how our candles looks like. All right, so you have to give it time in order to see the colors or our supreme RENKO bricks. All right, so, or maybe if you are impatient, you can just delete and repeat the same procedure. So we just click again the file, because the chart must look not like this one. It's still collecting data, so you have to give it time. But let us repeat, because I just wanted to do very fast. I think it's still collecting data. All right. Yeah. Oh, finally it's there. So your chart must look like this. If you're working with the Nairobi manual, your chart must look like this. If you are using the RENKO Sniper, we don't have this EMA here, or this mountain, all are coded inside, because you don't have to see every indicator, because we want to make the chart or the terminal to be light. All right, because sometimes when they draw everything here, it can be heavy, but we want every chart to look like. So some things you might miss them. Don't think that is not working. If they are not working, it will give you an alert something is wrong, or maybe it's missing, some indicators are missing, or some of detectors that collect the data from the stock market are missing. So you don't have to worry about that, because if there is anything wrong with whatever system you're using, it must give you an alert. All right, it must give you an alert, so you don't have to worry whether things are working or not. It must give you an alert, or even the EA can disappear to show that the data or some stuffs, they are not correct, or maybe something is missing. So you don't have to worry about that. Now, we are not talking about today about the EA. We are going to talk direct what is inside now the zone handle. So when we are talking about the zone handle, it's what already is coded here with this system, or with inside combination of RENKO file with the zone handle. So because the RENKO file alone now cannot work alone until they are combined with the zone handle. So follow this closely, because this is what you have been doing manually. All right. So I can right click here and go to indicator and start showing you about the zone handle. And before we get there, let's go back here and see what is in this zone handle. In zone handle, the first thing we'll get, we must see the supply and demand zone indicator. All right, the supply and demand zone. This is the supply and this is the demand zone. So this is our sub D, not the sub D. Oh, I'm used of sub D. This is inside now the zone handle. So the zone handle must have the supply and demand zone. So that is the first thing you see in the system. The second thing you will it will attach automatically, it is the trend line. All right, we all know about the price action, and we all know about how to work with the trend line, but thank God, because everything is automated. You don't have to attach anything. You just follow the procedure as I have shown you. You just click the what do we call it? You just click the file, even if you're using the pips. All right, if you want to every brick to be count with the pips, it is very simple. You just click that file. All right, by clicking that file, guys, everything will be there. Everything will be attached automatically, so you don't have to work hard in order to see everything. So I'm sharing light with you, because this is what should reflect on your chart. All right, the second thing, it is the candlesticks. All right, that we are going to see it very deep, because I've been telling you it must confirm candlestick, it must also confirm order blocks. All right, so these are some of the things that you might not see them showing or maybe drawing anything on the chart, but today I'm going to share this with a very light, because it is very, very important. All right, the other thing we are going to learn in this zone handle, it's about how the liquidity are swept. All right, we all know about the liquidity sweep. And this is very, very important. If we were working manually, if things were not automated, I think this class is very, very helpful to many traders. But the things are automated, we don't have to worry, but I have to prove or to show you about how things work. All right. The other thing, it is the breakout. All right. These are the important things that works in the market. We must venture into market whenever we had a breakout. Many people call, we call when we are learning about the SMC or smart money concept, we call it the break of structure, or BOS, the break of structure. And when you are working with the price action, we call it a breakout. All right. And the breakout is when we break from a certain zone. It can be internal zone or maybe medium zone or internal structure. When we break the the structure, or when we break the last higher low, higher high or higher low, or lower low, sorry, higher high or a lower low, when we break the last lower low or higher high, that is when we get the BOS, and that when we get the break of structure. So it is good to understand that the break of structure is found when we break the internal structures and when the market is still going maybe on our side. All right. When the market is changing, we have the change of character, which is chalk. All right. So the other thing, it is a Fibonacci retracement. I'm just renaming the talking about them because when we go to chart, we don't have to go back here to see whether we have a trend line. So understand about trend line, candlestick, order blocks, liquidity sweep, breakout, and Fibonacci retracement. So now we can go direct to our charts and learn about those things. All right. First of all, you can see we have a supply and demand zone, and we have what we have here. We have the trend line, and again we have what we call the Fibonacci retracement. And when there is a signal of order block will show a sign of buy or sell. So when working with the manual system, it will send the signal. All right. So this is the reason why I've been telling you guys that these things cannot work alone until they are combined with other technical analysis or stuffs that will make this be perfect. Because these are the things that people try to do manually, but still failing, because there is a lot to confirm before picking the trades. And this is why we have this EA on our manual system, because if we were trading only manually, all right, these are not enough. And maybe it will be very tiresome when you are trying to analyze some stuff here, to check on some of indicators. Maybe you can get confused before picking a trade, or before selling, or before buying. All right, you can be confused, and this is why we included our manual to have the EA. All right, the EA is the one that will take care of open trades. And I've been telling you, or maybe if this is your first video to watch on our channel, I've been telling you that the difference in between this manual EA and the original EA, it's only because you only place buy or sell by yourself. You take positions, you take trades manually by yourself. But all analysis, they are done by the EA. And the EA must collect the information from our candle chart. Get that in mind before you receive, because I told you guys, this is the system for this manual. It is the system with signal generator. So before that signal is sent or is generated, before it pop-ups on your desktop, or maybe sending messages or text on your email or on your phone, before that signal, it must be confirmed by the EA. So that's why we added, or we included the EA on our manual. Why? Because we don't want anyone to struggle by trying to do manual analysis. So the EA can be able to read everything that is in this chart, all right, can be able to read everything that is in this zone handle. After reading everything in zone handle, again, it will come here now on the RENKO chart and see where this market is going. If they all line, let's say, for example, we are coming from the resistance, as we can see, we have the Fibonacci, because if the market reverses to this area, then again, and we get the order block and the candle formations again, then it will send the signal to the EA. All right, not by that time, you won't receive any signal because the EA must confirm the order block on our candle chart, because we don't have order block on RENKOs. All right, so it must confirm a order block. It must also confirm the candle patterns, all right, or candlesticks pattern, the level of Fibonacci, all right, and the supply and demand zone. So before picking trades, so the Fibonacci cannot be enough, all right. Neither do order blocks can be enough. Neither do our supply or demand zone can be enough in order or before the RENKO sending the signal. So after collecting every data or from our handle from our zone handle, then that is when now the EA will confirm now what is happening on our RENKO chart. So if the system confirms that we have a supply at this point, and the mountain it's at level 90 now, indicating a sell, because when it was in level 10 of our RSI, all right, it was indicating a buy, all right, it was indicating a buy. So the RENKO, the EA will confirm this and confirm this mountain. Then this is where now the EA will send the signal when there is time, when it is time now to sell, because now this is the time to sell. Why this is the let's go this, for example. After closing of this brick, maybe under this EMA, this is when now the EA, if it was the EA, it will pick the signal here automatically. But because it is manual, you are the one to place sell here. So you will receive the notification of sell GPP JPY, let's say, for example. So you will receive the signal of sell GPP JPY. So whenever you find, or maybe it will pop up here, if you are still on your desktop, it will pop up a message of sell GPP JPY. The moment you receive that notification, don't hesitate. Don't analyze, don't do anything. Everything has been analyzed by the EA. So you just place your order sell. All right. Then from there, everything now, this is where now the EA comes in. Everything, it will be taken care of, whether it is risk management, profit, everything is automated. So you don't have to worry. And I do believe we have talked about that and we'll continue talking about that, because someone is new in this channel. My friend, go back to our videos, especially of this 2025 about the RENKOs, and you will learn everything that I'm sharing with you here. All right. So now today we are going to focus. All right. We know everything must line with what is on this channel, but let's go back now and analyze now our handle, what the EA will confirm before picking the trades and how they work. All right, it is very, very important. Now, number one, we have the supply and demand zone. That is perfect. It must confirm that. All right, it must confirm a trend line. So what we are I'm showing you here, it is what now maybe you won't show them or see them indicating or maybe showing in the market, but I just expose them here in order for you to understand. We know what we are doing and they are there. All right, you know, I don't expose everything here because there are too many and I don't want too many settings. But today, let's learn about the candlestick. Do these DFXs really understand the candlesticks formations? All right, because someone can say, oh, we have the candle formation, it can confirm order block and candle formation. And I think I have already demonstrated about the order blocks, and you saw the arrows that indicates as order blocks, all right? Because now here we are not seeing any sale of order block because there is no order block according to the system. Whenever the order blocks will reflect, it will show the arrow. And you don't have to worry about that because the EA can analyze everything there and pick the trade. So you don't have to say, oh, my friend, I'm not seeing arrow ABCD. You just wait for a signal, and when the signal says buy, you just buy. When the signal says sell, just sell because it is well analyzed. And if you're working like with the TFX or RENKO EA, you don't have to worry. It will pick automatically, it will close automatically, it will enter automatically. All right. Now let us learn how many or the candlesticks that are there for the EA to confirm before buying or selling. All right. For instance, you can see we have the hammer. I do believe you guys, if you are a new beginner in Forex market or you are experienced trader, you know that we have hammer, we have shooting star, we have piercing, we have dark cloud, we have harami. I'm just reading them very fast because we don't have to spend all time here saying harami. Okay, we have a girlfriend, we have white soldiers, we have black cows, we have evening stars, we have morning stars, we have evening star, morning star, we have tweezer, we have inverted hammer, we have hanging man, we have marubozu, all right, we have doji, we have gravestone. Where is it? Why is it? Why are you disappearing? All right, let's go back here. We were where? Gravestone. We are here in doji. Oh, let me pause here. You know, it must refresh itself, right? Because it must make sure, you know, every time in stock market, they have to release a new data. Every data when they are released, the EA must read them. So we have Doji Fly, we have Gravestone, we have a counterattack, we have outside, three outside, we have three inside, we have raising. We have all these. We have neck bull on neck bullish. You know, some people have never had even some of the candlestick, and now, wow, what kind of candlesticks that? That's why we are TFX. All right, all these candlesticks must be confirmed, and we all know the power of candlesticks. So this is why I've been telling you the system are professional, programmed by based on a full price action, SMC, all right, and ICT concept. That's why I'm trying to give this light to you guys so that you can understand when I talk price action, do I really understand about the price action? And that's what you can see in on the charts, all right? We have everything on board. Let's talk now about the liquidity, the sweep of liquidities, all right? And when it comes to the sweep of liquidity, it's very professional, all right? We cannot just say we want the sweep of liquidity. For example, this here, you can see this candle swept the lowest of this candle, all right? This, it's what we call the liquidity. The other liquidity, it is when we have an order block like this place, for example, all right? And the market comes and sweep all liquidity and leave the wick upside there, all right? Then it can come and close with the body at this point. Then this market can go down. All right, this is after sweeping the last of let's say this is our inducement, because this is internal structure, what we call inducement. If the market will sweep the liquidity on this inducement, that's what we call liquidity swept. Then there is a high probability for this market to drop if it is a down trade. All right, and if this market go up and break our last higher lower high, then that is when we'll say we have a change of character. And you don't have to worry about all these because our system are professional to detect if there is a change of character now from sell to buy. All right. So I'm telling you because when we go back to our zone handle, you can see we already have the liquidity sweep at this area. All right. And we also have a breakout. All right. And we can choose the time frame that we want to base on. For example, we can base on 4 hours and 2 hours time frame if we are trading from a 30 minutes time frame. So we can confirm something from our daily 4 hours and 2 hours time frame in order to make sure that the signals that are given there are well analyzed from big time frame. I hope you are following this video closely because those are the lights that I wanted to share with you, because sometimes you may see, what is this liquidity? You don't have to set anything here. You don't have to change anything here. What I'm sharing with you, it is the light of what I've been telling you, that it must confirm about the liquidities. All right. The liquidity of minute 30, it might not be that effective, all right? But the sweep of liquidity in big time frame, it is very, very effective when it comes to low time frame. Because when there is a sweep of liquidity in big time frame, let's say for instance, let me show you here. Let us open even this and let us go to 4 hours time frame. All right, let's do this in a very simplest way. For instance, I just want to assume that yeah, let's where is a good thing to analyze this market? Because this is also a sweep of liquidity when the market goes the lowest. Yeah, let's analyze this market, a place like here. Many times when there is a sweep of liquidity like here, you'll find that the market will reverse again and test that area before going up, as you can see here. All right, because this is an up trade. All right, you can see it's an up trade from here. All right, this is what we are talking about. Now, the market came and swept the lowest of this candle, because this is 4 hours. It's very, very meaningful to understand even about the candle formation. The market came and swept the lowest of this previous candle, all right? And after sweeping, this is what we call the sweep of liquidity. This does not mean now the market is going down. All right, because it has swept people's, because we have an order block here. If you can check it correctly, we have an order block at this point. All right, then having an order block to that point, market came, all right, and this is an order block. I think you are seeing it correctly, guys. I want you to understand this perfectly. Then market came and swept people's stop loss, and that is where you become a liquidity. People don't understand that sometimes you become a liquidity. This is why we say the sweep of liquidity. When we say the sweep of liquidity, some people have been swept, their stop loss has been swept, so you are the liquidity in the market. All right, so after sweeping the liquidity, I just want you to see this how manipulation goes. All right, then after sweeping the liquidity, market came again and retraced to that area, then market goes up. So if you can check this correctly, this tells you market came almost 50% of this this liquidity, the liquidity sweep candle, all right? And that is where now we have another block, and we all know we can set our stop loss here, all right? Then after sweeping people, liquidity, market came with this candle, then boom, market went up. So this is why we are professional to understand the manipulation, and when they have swept people, and when people become the liquidities, when they sweep you out, that is when we are looking opportunities of getting in the market. Are you getting the point? That is when we are getting the opportunity of entering in the market. And this is why now when we go back here, let's go back to our liquidity sweep. All right. This is why when we come here to our liquidity sweep, let's say, for example, we were learning about the 4 hours and this is the 4 hours, all right? We can see the ratio of that candle. We want to enter the market when now, after they have swept people liquidity, we are waiting for another candle to reverse to our 50% of our order block and 50% of that candle. Remember this, we have the 50% of order block, all right? I think I've shared that in another video outside there. But today we are looking about another 50% of a swept liquidity. What I want you to understand is that there is a difference between 50% of order block and 50% of the candle after the sweep of liquidity. So I talked about the last time about the 50% of the order block. So today, allow me to focus on 50%, sorry for that, 50% of liquidity. All right, now you can see here we have set the 50%. So this means it must confirm the 50% that the market has touched the 50% of order block and also 50% of liquidity. And that is what we are seeing here in 4 hours time frame. We have the sweep of liquidity, all right, and we have the test of our order block at this point of 50%, then the market went up. So you can see it will be very, very professional. All right, it will be very, very professional entering the market when the market or when the market makers has already swept people's stop loss, because that is what we call a liquidity. So, and it is very hard for a person to wait. Let's, for example, this is a 4 hours candle, to wait for this candle, to be patient with this candle to sweep the liquidity, then again to wait for this second candle. That will be the 8 hours of waiting in order for the market to come to this order block, all right, to come to this order block to retest again, because you have at least managed yourself to be saved from this liquidity here. Now it is time to enter. It is, I don't know, it is not that easy to stay on your desktop and maybe you are doing other activities to wait for this candle again to retest to your 50% of this order block and the 50% of this swept liquidity candle. All right. So, and that is why now, when it comes to a TFX, we are telling you, relax, my friend, relax, because everything will be done by this EA. All right. This is why we combine the manual confirmation with our zone handle and also with the EA in the manual, because you cannot always spend that time. It is very frustrating waiting for all that time again. You lose the money, or it's very, very, very discouraging. So this is why we know about the sweep of liquidity and we want to enter into the market. Even if we are trading RENKO here, we want to enter in the market, or we want to receive signal after they have swept people's liquidity. It is good to understand that. I told you guys that this system is programmed to save people's account. You are very, very protected because it will enter into the market after they have swept the people's stop loss. That is when now, after the liquidity are swept, that is when now the EA will be looking for the signal. So if you are trading manually, that is when now you will receive the signal buy or sell. So that's why I'm telling you confidently, whenever you had the you receive the signal or for buy or sell, if you are using manually, don't hesitate, because everything is confirmed, the liquidity is confirmed, the breakout is confirmed, and you just place buy or sell according to the signal that has been sent. So you have the button here to place sell or to place buy. Other stuffs, how to exit from that market, how maybe if they hit your stop loss, how to recover, none of your business. That is the work of the EA, to recover the losses and also to enter into the market. And if you are using the RENKO EA, not the manual now, the RENKO EA, it is a plug and play. You don't have to wait for signal. You don't have to confirm anything. It is the work of the EA to confirm everything and to pick signals automatically. So don't forget, if you are using the manual, the RENKO manual EAs, you will receiving the signals, because that's why it has the signal generator. The signal generator are generated after confirming everything that I'm telling you here, after confirming the sweep of liquidity, after confirming the order blocks, after confirming the direction of the market, supply and the demand zone, and also the trend line. This is all combination of price action and SMC. After confirming everything, that is when it will send the signal buy or sell. But if it is the EA, instead of receiving the signal of buy or sell, it will pick buy or sell automatically without you doing anything. So understand the difference between the EA, a manual EA, and the EA, RENKO Sniper EA, all right? Because manual EA, the manual part, it is only when you place the order manually. All right, that is the only manual part. There is no analysis. That is the work of the system. There is nothing like confirmation. That is the work of the system. The only manual thing you do here, it is to place order. That's all. So don't sit there on your desktop trying to analyze, trying to check here, to check there, to check these currencies. Since I told you, you can trade all these currencies, you can attach them here. I'm not telling you to go every chart to analyze the way the market is going. No. After attaching everything, let the EA on, even if you are trading manually, let the EA, the Nairobi EA, collect every data, all right? Collect every analysis. That's why we call them the technical analysis tools. So the EA will confirm all technical analysis in this zone handle, TFX zone handle, the sweep of liquidity, the Fibonacci, everything before sending the signal. So whenever you receive signal, buy or sell according to the signal. If it is the EA will pick the trades automatically. Hope, guys, you are getting what I'm telling you. So when we come to these technical analysis tools that the zone handle use, these are what makes our RENKO system being more successful in Forex market. Why? Because, guys, they have the program. We program this and we have advanced a lot of things to make sure that you will never fail and the system will never fail you. And also remember, even if you're trading manual, in case of anything, they hit your stop loss, it will recover the losses and again wait for a fresh signal. That is the best thing about our system, whether it's manual or whether it is the EA. So that's why you have to understand about the manual and the EA. And I say the only part of manual, it is placing the order by yourself, or else the other stuff is 100% EA. So this is why we are saying our manual EA is 95% EA, because our manual EA also contains EA. This is why it is manual, but also with the EA. So the manual, it is when you place the order by yourself, but the EA, it is what analyzing the market. We are saving your time, guys, because of you can engage yourself in different activities. And if you are connected with your cell phone, then you can wait for the message of buy or sell from your phone, then you can buy, and the rest the EA will take care of. So you don't have to worry about anything. The analysis, everything that I'm talking about here, all those tens of things, they will be analyzed by the EA automatically. All right. So the manual part, it's only when placing the order manually. The rest, You don't have to worry where to take the stop loss or take profit. I think I've shared with you, we only risk. All right, when we go to this EA, we only set like 3%, like here, the best risk is only 3%. This is the only thing we risk. All right, when to adjust, maybe to increase your lot size because maybe you have bank a lot of money. No, that is automated by the EA. It will be increasing. I think that I've shared with in our last video, but we'll continue sharing more lights. All right, now guys, let's talk about now our EAs. I think now we are done with those. We have already explored the advanced technical tools that are behind our successful RENKO system. And I said that everything I shared here, they are the same that are in the EA, TAFX, RENKO Sniper EA. So the difference is that the manual you place trades by yourself, but the EA picks the trades automatically. All right, I do believe that now it's clear. So you don't have to analyze anything. It is the work of the EA plugged in the system that will do everything. And remember, you can trade all of them, and the EA can only pick signal from 1, 2, or 3 according to the setup you have set there, to make sure that you are getting you're protecting your account. We said that if you only want 3 signals from the EA, guys, you know what to do. Let me not go to that. All right, so now let us talk about the price, all right, and how you can get our system. All right, now what are the do we like a TFX company offer, or how many EAs do we have? Because it's very important. How many EAs do we have and how they work on what they trade? All right, so we have the TFX SMC Sniper EA that deals with candle charts. So this one trades only candle charts, and it deals with Forex currencies. Keep that in mind. We have SMC Sniper EA that trades only candle charts, and it's only based off Forex currencies. We have TFX RENKO Sniper EA that deals with both candle charts and RENKO. It is the combination of candles and RENKO bricks, all right? And that also is based on Forex currencies, all right? So normal currencies, every currencies, this EA, or I think there are 28, every 28 currencies, they can be traded by this RENKO. I do believe you know about the TFX RENKO Sniper. So the RENKO Sniper deals with the combination of candlesticks, not candlesticks, candle charts, and RENKO bricks, and is based on Forex currencies. Let's go to TFX Gold Hunter. The Gold Hunter also is the combination of candlesticks. I think I would have write them here. It is the combination of candlesticks and RENKO bricks, and this one is based on metals, energies, indices, stocks, and cryptos. All right, it is good to understand what Gold Hunter now trades. The last time we shared, it was only based on candle charts, but now it is the combination of candle charts, because there is no need to trade only candle charts. If the system can analyze candle and RENKO, it is good to work with it. So this one works also with candle charts and RENKO charts or RENKO bricks, and it can trade gold, blah blah blah, US30, NASDAQ. All those are inclusive Gold Hunter. So remember, the RENKO Sniper deals with Forex currencies, but Gold Hunter also does not deal with currencies. It deals with metals, energies, index, and stocks, and also cryptos. All right, cryptocurrencies or all those stuffs. The TFX Gold Hunter will deal with that. We have the TFX VIX Trader. This is for volatilities, especially those people who are in trade with the DERIV, all right? This based on volatilities, and it's also a RENKO system that deals with a combination of candle charts and RENKO bricks. That one will trade volatilities, step index, and jump. All right, so those are the things that the VIX trader will trade. You can DM me so that I can send you this PDF if maybe you'd like to summarize again. All right. So the trader VIX or volatility trader, that one deals with volatilities, step index, and JAP. And that is also a RENKO combination of RENKO bricks and candle charts. We have the spikes EA. The spikes EA deals with candle charts, and that one deals with boom, crash, rage, and drift switching, and also DEX indexes. So that is the things that deals with spikes. All right, this one deals with only spikes, and the spikes you can find them on boom and crash, rage, sweep, and also index. All right, though, so that is the EA that we have. It is good to notice that that is the EA that we have. And when you purchase the EA, the price of the EA, it is $2,000. That is the price of each and every EA. The price is 2,000, but you can save 650 by purchasing any of our EA robots, and you will get 2 real account lifetime license. Right, not now one. You can get 2 licenses with lifetime license plus unlimited demo accounts. You can open unlimited demo accounts and practice the EA, all right, to understand more strategies. So after purchasing one of the EA, how do you save this 650? It is by getting free manual system plus signal generator of your choice, free manual system of your choice. So after purchasing the system, you just tell me, oh, I would like this manual system with this signal generator of your choice. All right, so that one means you will save 650 because the price of the manual, let's now focus on manual. The price of the manual is 650. We have dynamic manual EA that deals with candle charts, and that deals is based on Forex currencies. We have the spikes manual EA that also is a manual with a signal generator. All these manuals are with a signal generator, so don't forget about that. So it is manual for the spikes, all right, boom, range, blah blah blah, or everything with the spikes in DERIV platform. The manual will be sending signals to you guys. So it is not only based off boom and crash, but everything that gives spikes. All right, we have the Nairobi manual EA. The Nairobi manual EA, it is the combination of candle charts, RENKO bricks, and that one deals with everything: Forex, metal, energies, anything that is in there in platform. This one, it's stress-free. This one, you can trade anything. So it's not only based on Forex, all right? It is not based on metal. This is automated to trade anything you want in your platform. So if you open for MT4 or MT5, anything provided in your platform, since it's a RENKO thing, it's automated to trade anything. Anything, and I mean anything. So that's why we have Forex, we have metals, we have energies, we have index, we have stocks, we have cryptos, everything you can trade with this TFX Nairobi manual EA, whereby it is based on combination of RENKO and candle charts. We have the TFX VIX manual EA. This one is for volatility, step index, and other stuff. So this means anything that is in a DERIV platform. The way this one deals with metal ABCD in your MT5, this volatility manual EA will deal with anything volatility, steps, blah, 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 that is in that platform. And it's for candle charts. So this one also, don't forget, it contains also a signal generator. The manual systems here, they will be sending signal. And I said the only manual part you do, it is to place the order manually, but all analysis, all signals are generated by the EA automatically. So you don't have to waste time trying to analyze the market. Everything will be done by the EA. That's why it's a manual with the EA. So your work here when trading with manual, you only place trades or you take positions manually, and all manually for now, and I'm saying for now, it's 650. This is why you are saving 650, because after purchasing the system, you get the manual free. And now, this is an interested part. Installment payments are accepted. Why are we accepting installment payments? It is because of how confident and how sure we are with our system. So we know after you pay some of the money, all right, you get the system, you make money, you share your profit with us until you are done by paying the system. So don't sit there and say, oh, my friend, I don't have that money. Oh, I don't have this money. I don't have this money. My friend, installments are accepted. Just DM me. You can contact me. This is my WhatsApp number. You can send email. All right. And because we give, after doing everything, we give a lifetime license, free updates, and access to our VIP mentorship. So don't sit there and say, I don't have $2,000. Don't sit there and say, oh, my friend, I want manual, but I don't have $650. We said installment payments are accepted. You pay some, you get the system, make money, because in Forex market, there is more than enough. So talk to me, tell me how much you have, let us agree, get the system, and make profit and pay the balance through your profit. We are not telling you to go back and start looking for other money in order to clear the balance. No, we are 100%. You will bank money, you will have profit, and that profit, don't give us all, share with us 50-50, clear the balance, then bank every money by yourself and don't share with anyone but your beloved one. I do believe, guys, now everything now here is cleared. If maybe there's something you're missing, you can ask me. I can send you the PDF of everything here so that you can understand well about our system. But I do believe that details is well understood. All right, then you can purchase the system. Don't waste time, my friend, waiting, or get, my friend, it works as I said. We are the TAFX company software developers. Thank you so much, guys, and once again, welcome to TAFX family. Thank you.